So now I just changed that drivers to the 470 drivers, so I've got it broken the hash rate. So with this card I usually only get about 47, 48 with it. I've got another 3 of them. With them I get about 50 or 51, but this one for some reason doesn't want to go over that. But the wattage is at like 102 watts. In between that, we're about to fix that Ryzen up and get that cranking out. So I'm going to mess with that Ryzen now, so you know we've got the dev drivers working and we're all good there. So now I'm going to mess with that, and stay tuned for that. I'll be back in a tick. So we've got it all up and running. That's it running at stock clocks, the Ryzen CPU. I haven't messed with it at all. I don't know if I'm going to. We'll have a look at that in the future. If I do, I'll make some content on it. Beside the point, so we got both of them up and going. I've had a big day. We're going to leave it for there. Stay tuned to more content. Subscribe to the channel and catch you for the next video.